here today with Max. We've been working on his knees for several years, and he has some interesting story to tell.
Well, the first time I was back in 2007, I was having severe problems with my knees. The orthopedic surgeons were telling me I had to have them both replaced. I was going to Italy. Dr. Blatman at that time gave me PRP injections, and they made a huge, huge difference. It continued to improve. I didn't have to have my knees replaced. Now, it's lasted for years. Started to have some problems again last year. Well, I recently had Dr. Blatman give me more PRP injections, and I'm exercising again. I'm able to walk. I'm able to walk on a regular treadmill, bearing full weight, and I'm slowly building up. It's terrific. If you've got joint problems, I strongly urge you to at least give Dr. Blatman a call and ask what he can do for you. It sure beats having surgeons cut me open and possibly making mistakes. Things do go wrong. I've seen it happen to other people. This is a far better alternative. Dr. Blatman, he'll take great care of you.